Welcome to this Scikit machine learning tutorial. In this section, we introduce the name entity recognition task used in the Scikit crowdsourcing platform. Named entity recognition, or NER, is a fundamental task in language processing, where the goal is to identify important entities in text and label them correctly. In the following slides, we'll explain what NER is and how it is performed in practice using our annotation tools. Named entity recognition is a core subtask of natural language processing that focuses on locating and classifying entities in unstructured text into predefined categories. Common entity types introduce person names, organizations, locations, dates, and quantities, often labeled as PER, ORG, LOC, or MISC. NER helps convert raw text into structured data, which is essential for applications such as information extraction, search engines, chatbots, and knowledge graph construction. A typical NER pipeline involves tokenization of the text, detecting entity spans, classifying those spans using machine learning models, and resolving ambiguities using context. For example, the word Apple may be labeled as an organization in a business article but not in a cook recipe. To perform NER annotation, we use Label Studio, which provides built-in interfaces especially designed for text-based entity labeling. Annotator highlights spans of the text and assign labels such as PER, ORG, LOC, or MISC. Label Studio supports customizable label definitions through XML configuration files, as well as advanced features like overlapping entities and large document handling. Once annotation is complete, the label data can be exported in formats such as JSON or BIO, make it suitable for training and evaluating NER models. Now I'll demonstrate how to use our Label Studio tool to annotate the data for NER tasks. First, let's create our project. Let's name it as NER. And then let's choose our model, NER recognition, and then let's import our data. And we click list of tasks for files treated. And then click save. Now we click this uploaded file, and this is a description of Elon Musk's profile. And then let's start the labeling. First, we'll see Elon Musk is a person, so it's a PER. And then we have a Zip2 is the company he created, so it is an organization. And then we have Palo Alto is also a location. And PayPal is also an organization. And then we have SpaceX, also an organization. We have Hawthorne, California is also a location. Oh, California should be a MISC. And then Tesla is also an organization. And Fremont is also a location. Austin is also a location. And Texas is MISC. Europe is a location. Paris Olympics, Minsk. And Team USA is also Minsk. And China is also Minsk. So now we have labeled all of the entities we need for NER tasks. Now let's submit this. Okay, we saved all of our identified entities. Let's go back to our project, and if we want to export it, we can click export, and we can save as a CSV file and click export, and then let's take a look. So we have all of the labels information we created, and we have some metadata about our task, and this can be used for our training of NER models. And this is our tutorial for annotating NER tasks. Thanks for watching.